जो कांग्रेस की एक छोटी सी कैंडिडेट्स की लिस्ट आई है उसमें कई दागदार लोग हैं। एक सज्जन तो आज भी जेल के अंदर है। फिर भूपिंदर सिंह हुड्डा के ऊपर केस चल रहा है। अभी उस केस में 834 करोड़ रुपए की संपत्ति अटैच हुई है। एक सज्जन नू कांड में इन्वॉल्व हैं और एक और पर भी ईडी का कार्रवाई चल रही है। ये है कांग्रेस की पहचान। इन्हीं लोगों को ढूंढने के लिए वो इतने दिन लगा रहे थे और अभी तो 31 की आई है। अभी बाकी देखिए और कितने नगीने बाहर आते हैं।
Always had an approach of being soft on terror. They've always, for political reasons and for vote bank compulsions, even removed laws that would have helped the investigative agencies. They've always stood on the side where they would feel that the Muslim community would feel bad if they were not supporting radicals. Whereas the Muslim community certainly itself does not support anyone who has a radical view or is involved in anything that may be even remotely connected to terrorism. With regard to ED and other cases, several Congress people take their member of parliament from Odisha, if I recall, or one of the states there, he had 350 crores cash. So probably the Congress party believes that the ED raiding these kind of people is only a political agenda and they are entitled to collect cash in whatever manner whatsoever. So this reflects the Congress party's thinking. The larger things of Nyay and others that they speak is a camouflage. Their real intent gets clear from the nature of candidates they are selecting.
देखिए, कांग्रेस में कौन सा ऐसा व्यक्ति है जो साफ सुथरा है, जो दूध का धुला है? कोई नहीं, मुझे नहीं लगता। आप चाहे राहुल गांधी के जीजा जी है रॉबर्ट वाड्रा जी, उनकी बात कर लीजिए। हरियाणा प्रदेश में बहुत बड़े दिग्गज ऐसे हैं, आप सभी जानते हैं उनके बारे में। मैं नहीं समझता कांग्रेस पार्टी एक जो है दूध धुली पार्टी है। अगर दूध धुली पार्टी है तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी है।
So the war of words continue as the Congress has also countered the criticism from the BJP. Take a listen in.
देखिए, ये तो बीजेपी का मैं कहना चाहूँगी कि समझ ही रहे हो, समझ सकते हो वे किसी के ऊपर भी कोई भी चार्ज लगा के, चाहे वो ईडी का हो या अदर हो, उनको फंसाने का भी काम करते हैं। और वो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, बट ठीक है, अपने जो मामन खान जी हैं वो भी बिल्कुल। तो ये सारा षड्यंत्र जो है आप समझ रहे हो, ऐसे लगा हुआ है।
Now, SpaceX's Boeing Starliner landed back on Earth in Mexico. Now, the spacecraft is returning without the crew as it faced multiple thruster failures and helium leaks during its journey to space. So, Sunita Williams and Butch remain in the space, still stranded, waiting for another spacecraft to, in fact, bring them back on Earth. Take a look at this report to know more.
SpaceX Boeing Starliner is returning to Earth after months of safety concerns. NASA ultimately deemed that it's too risky to send the crew back on the Starliner, which consequently led the fully automated capsule departing with empty seats. Sunita Williams and Butch Wilmore remain stranded in space with their return scheduled for February 2025. The capsule's journey was marred by thruster failures and helium leaks. What began as a small isolated leak quickly escalated with 4 additional leaks and 5 thruster failures occurring after liftoff. However, 4 thrusters were eventually restored. The situation raised concerns about potential issues during the capsule's descent from orbit. Boeing's first astronaut flight has been marked by numerous delays and setbacks.